Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the hard flash in Rust. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, and then we're going to go to the options tab, and under gameplay you'll find hard flash. And what this option is basically when you have taken some damage, it will indicate on your screen by making it like redder and showing you that you have been hurt. So if you want to keep this option enabled, just leave it on, and if you want to disable it, select off. And once you've done that, you just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.